Welcome back once again in my channel Alternative World. Your host, your dost, this is Anwar. मैंने ये भी अनप्लग कर दिया. अब right now just the clock spring lock is removed, but you don't have to remove before putting the contact coil. See, this is contact coil at exact accuracy point, and see our hub, everything is replaced earlier. Right now you just put here and press a lock. See, again I am showing you, you have just hear a clicking sound. I am again just wear out, and this blue lock is already removed because we are using this is installed in the earlier. Just you have to put in this point, see, and you have to push. See, the click sound is come, it will perfectly, and the tolerance, you don't have to move this one, the either this or either this, because this may be a variation in steering wheel control. Click start. Now you have to pull the steering wheel slowly, and it will be must in the steady point, and we are putting it, and at that time same time we have to fix that lock. थोड़ा सा internal लाना, this lock, and the steering wheel goes inside. Here I was just open, we see. After that, this is fixed, horn goes right, and after completing everything I will show you the steering wheel control configuration. Steering is fixed. We have to put the airbag after every all things that is removed from here, and accuracy, everything after driving. At the last time we have to put the airbag.